Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel where we focus on real, simple steps you can take to feel stronger, healthier, and more energized, especially as we age gracefully. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that could change the way you move. Literally. Because believe it or not, there is one food, yes, just one, that can start improving your leg strength in as little as 12 hours. And just as importantly, we'll uncover the common foods many of us eat every day that may be silently damaging our aging bodies, especially our joints, muscles, and energy. Stick around, because toward the end of this video, I'll also share a simple daily plate you can start tomorrow to help protect your muscles, balance, and mobility for years to come. Let's get started. As we age, leg strength becomes one of the most important indicators of long-term health. Why? Because strong legs mean independence. They help us get up from a chair, climb stairs, go for walks, and most importantly prevent falls. According to the CDC, 1 in 4 adults over 65 falls each year, and a major reason is loss of muscle mass in the legs. This is called sarcopenia, and it can start as early as your 50s. But here's the good news. Studies show that even small, consistent changes in your diet can help preserve and even rebuild muscle strength, especially in your lower body. So, what's the food that can start working in just 12 hours? We'll get there in just a moment. First, we need to talk about the silent culprits, foods that are quietly working against your strength and wellness. Let's take a moment to look at a few everyday foods that seem harmless, but actually drain your strength, increase inflammation, and speed up muscle loss. These are the kinds of foods many of us have been eating for decades without realizing the toll they can take on aging muscles and joints. These foods are stripped of fiber and nutrients. When you eat them, your blood sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you tired and inflamed. Over time, high blood sugar can interfere with how your muscles use protein, slowing down muscle repair and growth. A study published in the journal Nutrients in 2019 found that diets high in refined carbs were linked to reduced muscle strength in adults over 60. These may be tasty, but they're often packed with sodium, preservatives, and inflammatory compounds. High sodium can raise your blood pressure and affect circulation to your legs and feet, reducing oxygen and nutrients getting to your muscles. Think of it like this: if your muscles aren't getting proper blood flow, they can't stay strong. These cause a spike in insulin, which can increase inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a major reason why older adults feel stiff, swollen, or fatigued. Over time, this inflammation can damage the connective tissue in your legs and make your muscles weaker and slower to recover after activity. Now let's get to the part you've been waiting for. What's the one food that can start improving leg strength in just 12 hours? It's something so simple, yet incredibly powerful: eggs. That's right. Whole eggs, boiled, poached, scrambled, or sunny side up, can begin supporting muscle protein synthesis in as little as 12 hours after eating. Let me explain how. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of essential amino acids, especially leucine, a key player in muscle growth and repair. Just one egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't make on its own. Real life example, in a 2020 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who ate whole eggs after resistance training had greater muscle protein synthesis than those who ate egg whites alone. That means the yolk matters. The nutrients in the yolk, like vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats, also support nerve function and balance, which are crucial for strong, stable legs. And get this, your body starts using those amino acids for muscle repair within hours of eating. So yes, it is possible to start fueling stronger legs by tomorrow morning, all with something as simple as a couple of eggs. But of course, one food isn't enough to protect your legs for the long haul. It's about the whole picture, replacing the foods that quietly do damage with ones that nourish your body daily. In the next part of this video, we'll walk through a full day of muscle-supporting meals, simple tips to reduce inflammation, and how to build a strong leg plate that's easy, affordable, and delicious. Don't go anywhere, we're just getting started. We talked about the surprising power of eggs to start rebuilding leg strength in just 12 hours thanks to their rich protein, amino acids, and essential nutrients. But we also expose the everyday foods that silently damage aging bodies, like refined carbs, processed meats, and sugary drinks. Now, let's move into the high-quality protein, anti-inflammatory vegetables, and fats complex, muscle-friendly carbohydrates. Let's break each one down. Why it matters. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein to build and maintain muscle. That's why older adults need more, not less, protein than younger people. Research from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition suggests adults over 60 need at least 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily to maintain muscle mass. That means you weigh 150 pounds, about 68 kilograms. You need around 80 grams of protein per day, spread it out across all meals, not just dinner. A good target, 25 to 30 grams of protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Pro tip: pair your eggs with cottage cheese or add a scoop of protein to your morning oatmeal for an easy boost. Anti-inflammatory veggies and fats examples: leafy green spinach, kale, arugula, berries, blueberries, strawberries, olive oil, avocado, walnuts, flaxseed. Why it matters: these foods help reduce inflammation, improve joint health, and support muscle recovery. Inflammation is one of the main reasons older adults experience joint pain, muscle stiffness, and fatigue. Fun fact: omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish like salmon and sardines have been shown to increase muscle protein synthesis when combined with resistance training, even if you don't exercise much. Eating more anti-inflammatory foods can help your muscles stay flexible, responsive, and pain-free. Pro tip: add olive oil and lemon to your greens, and toss in a handful of walnuts for crunch and strength, complex carbs that fuel muscles, not blood sugar spikes. Examples: sweet potatoes, quinoa, rice oats, bean shui. It matters. Your muscles need energy to move, recover, and grow. But the type of carbohydrate you eat makes a huge difference. Refined carbs, as we covered earlier, cause blood sugar spikes and inflammation. But complex carbs give you steady energy, help you absorb more nutrients, and even help your body hold on to more muscle glycogen, which is the stored fuel in your legs. Pro tip: try a bowl of steel-cut oats with chia seeds and berries for breakfast. It checks all 3 boxes. Let's put it all together with a sample daily menu designed specifically to nourish your muscles and joints. Breakfast: whole eggs, scrambled 1/2 cup cottage cheese or Greek yogurt, 1 slice whole grain toast, or 1/2 cup oats with chai, a handful of berries, green tea, or water with lemon, packed with protein and antioxidants to start rebuilding muscle within hours. Lunch: grilled chicken or lentil salad over leafy green cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, olive oil, dressing, 1/2 cup quinoa or sweet potato on the city, a few slices of avocado, perfect blend of lean protein, fiber, and anti-inflammatory fats. Dinner: baked salmon or tofu, steamed broccoli or roasted Brussels sprouts, 2/3 cup brown rice or barley, small drizzle of olive oil, herbs, and spice help support overnight muscle repair while keeping blood sugar stable. Snack options: choose 1-2. Daily apple with almond butter, hard-boiled egg, handful of walnuts, low sugar protein smoothie. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect. It's about small, consistent changes that help you move better, feel steadier, and stay energized. Even swapping just one processed food for a natural, whole food option each day can have a noticeable impact on your strength over time. Food is powerful, and with the right choices, your body can heal, rebuild, and thrive at any age. In the next and final part of this video, we'll cover a few simple movement strategies to multiply the effects of your diet, best time to eat for maximum muscle benefit, and how to track your strength improvements from home. Thanks for waiting.